I can't believe I'm at Hogwarts.
Look who we have here. It's the famous Harry Potter.
And what's it to you?
I've heard a lot about you. We could be great friends, you know.
I think I can make my own friends.
Yeah, figures you'd rather be friends with that riffraff Weasley.
He's no riffraff.
Yeah,
he's my friend.
You think we should settle this over a duel?
Okay, let's go.
Who will get hit by the spell first, Harry or Malfoy?
We are trying to find out who gets hit first, Malfoy or Harry. It is given that Malfoy and Harry are 50 feet apart from each other. The position function for Malfoy at 0 is equal to 0. The position function for Harry at 0 is equal to 0. The velocity functions are given. The velocity function for Malfoy is t squared plus 13. The velocity function for Harry is t plus 24. We want to find the position function for Malfoy, and to do so we must integrate the velocity function, which will give us t cubed over 3 plus 13t plus c. Now we want to find the position function for Malfoy. So we use the given values and set the equation equal to 0 and plug in 0. So 0 equals 0 cubed over 3 plus 13 times 0 plus c. c is equal to 0. Now we want to set that equation equal to 50 because we're trying to find out how long it will take to go 50 feet. So 50 equals t cubed over 3 plus 13t. T is equal to 3.089 seconds if we solve that. Now we want to find the position function for Harry. We must integrate the velocity function for Harry, which will give us t squared over 2 plus 24t plus c. Now we're going to set that equal to 0 based on the given values and plug in 0. So 0 equals 0 squared over 2 plus 24 times 0 plus c. c is equal to 0. Now we must set that equation equal to 50. So 50 equals t squared over 2 plus 24 times t. t is equal to 2 seconds. Because 3.089 seconds is greater than 2 seconds, Malfoy gets hit first and Malfoy turns into a rabbit.
L'hôpital!
It's a great time. I can't believe Harry Potter turned me into a rabbit. He needs to start showing her some respect for his superiors. It's time for some payback.
Harry Potter? Skipping class?
But I have an excuse.
I don't want to hear it. You cannot play in the Quidditch match tonight. Come on.
Ron, are you excited about the Quidditch match tonight?
Yeah, I'm really excited. I mean, we're playing Slytherin and they're our rivals and everything, and it should be a good game. I hope everyone comes.
Harry, what's got your arms in a knot?
Hey guys, I have some terrible news.
What is it?
I can't play in the Quidditch game tonight.
That's
What?
rubbish. Why not?
Professor Snape won't let me. I got in trouble.
But then who's going to be our seeker?
I have no idea.
I have an idea. Harry, you know I would do anything for you. Let me play in the Quidditch match.
Really? You will do that?
Of course.
That would be wonderful.
Okay.
Wow, Ginny is really good. Yes, I wonder what her average speed is. Let's find out.
In order to calculate our average speed, we must first be given an acceleration function, and that is given by x squared over 40 plus 2. It is also given that the velocity at 0 is equal to 0, so we want to find the velocity function, and to do so we must integrate the acceleration function, and we get x cubed over 120 plus 2x plus c. We want to find c, so we use the given values above, and we set the equation equal to 0, and we plug in 0. We get c is equal to 0. So now we have the velocity function equal to x cubed over 120 plus 2x. So we want to find the average speed of the broom from 0 to 20 seconds. So the average speed is equal to the integral of the velocity function on the interval 0 to 20, and we divide that by 20 because we're trying to find the average speed, and we get the average speed equal to 36.667 feet per second. Will the ball reach the goal if it is thrown from 100 feet away and the ball is in the air for 3 seconds? Given that the position function at 0 is equal to 0, the velocity at 0 is 78, and the acceleration function is negative 32, we first want to integrate the acceleration to get velocity, and we get velocity as negative 32t plus c. We want to solve for c, so we use the given above, and we set it equal to 78 and plug in 0, so we get c is equal to 78. And now our velocity function is negative 32t plus 78. So we want to find the position function, and we integrate velocity to do so, and we get the position function as negative 16t squared plus 78t plus c. We want to solve for c yet again, so we use the given above, set the equation equal to 0 and plug in 0. We get c is equal to 0, and the position function is now negative 16t squared plus 78t. We want to find how far the ball went after 3 seconds, so we plug in 3 and we get 90 feet, and we subtract that from 100, and this gives us 10, so that means the ball falls 10 feet away from the goal.
I can't believe we just lost Quidditch to a girl. I'll show those Weasleys. I'll get them.
Hey guys, have you seen Scabbers lately?
No, that's really strange. I haven't seen him.
Oh my gosh, look at these spiders.
Spiders? Bloody hell, I hate spiders!
Differentiate.
Bloody hell, they're multiplying quicker than my family!
I wonder, how many spiders will there be after 30 seconds?
Alright, so we're trying to figure out how many spiders there will be 30 seconds after Malfoy's spell hits the spiders if the amount of spiders doubles every 5 seconds. We're given that P naught equals 2, and we can figure out that P equals 4 after 5 seconds because the amount of spiders doubles every 5 seconds. And given the exponential growth equation of P equals P naught times e to the RT, and we can sum in the given values and get 4 equals 2 times t to the 5r. We try to solve for r, and the next step we get is ln of 2 equals 5r, divide that by 5, and we get r equals ln of 2 all over 5. So when you plug in r to the given equation, you get p equals 2 times e to the t times ln of 2 over 5, and when you plug in 30 for t, you get p equals 2 times e to the 30 times ln of 2 over 5. When you simplify all of that, you get P equals 128 spiders.
See, the reason I'm so afraid of spiders is because when I was 3 years old, just a little youngin', my grandmother, she went to sleep one night, and she realized when she had woken up that she had been bitten by a spider in her sleep. And at first she didn't really think much of it, and neither did we. But then, 2 months later, she died suddenly, and the doctors didn't really know what had happened. But then, when the autopsy report came back, they were HIV positive that my grandmother had died of AIDS from that spider bite. And it's just really affected me throughout my whole life, and I'm just really deathly afraid of spiders now.
Hey, Marnie, could you come and help me?
Sure, Harry.
Hyperbola.
Oh no, my potion! Malfoy, this is rubbish! I wonder how long it will take for that cauldron to be empty.
Alright, so we're trying to figure out how many